If your Xbox One turns on, but your TV stays black, says no signal, or you're stuck on a blank screen, don't panic. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact fixes, from the quick 30-second checks to the deeper repair. Let's get your screen back. Step 1. Check the input cables. Many black screen issues are caused by a bad HDMI cable or the TV being set to the wrong input. Switch HDMI ports on the TV, try a different HDMI cable, and test the Xbox on another TV if possible. This step alone resolves a large number of black screen cases. Step 2. Perform a proper power cycle. A full power cycle clears temporary system errors. Hold the Xbox power button on the console for 10 seconds until it shuts off completely. Unplug the power cable from the back, wait 30 seconds, then reconnect it and turn the console back on. Step 3. Reset Xbox display settings. If the Xbox is outputting a resolution your TV cannot display, the screen will stay black. Turn the console off, then press and hold the bind and eject buttons. While holding them, press the power button once and continue holding until you hear 2 startup tones. This forces the Xbox into a safe display mode and often restores video. Step 4. Soft reset Xbox. From the Startup Troubleshooter, select Reset this Xbox and choose Keep Games and Apps. This reinstalls system files without deleting your installed games. It is one of Microsoft's recommended fixes for black screen and startup issues. Step 5. Fix corrupted updates. If the black screen appears after an update, the system files may be corrupted. Download the OSU1 file from Xbox support onto a USB drive formatted to NTFS. Boot into the Startup Troubleshooter, select Offline System Update, and follow the on-screen instructions. This repairs the operating system without data loss. If no image appears on any TV with any cable and the Startup Troubleshooter never shows, the issue is likely hardware-related. The most common causes are a damaged HDMI port or internal video chip failure. At this stage, professional repair or replacement is usually required.